We go to the plant, unload, come back, follow the lifter, get loaded, go back to the plant. Do this for 12 hours. I said some people load out of a lifter, some people load out of a cart. That's the blinky light I'm telling you about. But pays good. Guy I work for, I get to stay right at the shop. He's got a place, full kitchen, everything. It works good. Don't have to drive back and forth, and yeah, get to drive a nice truck. 2016 Beet with it's 500 or 550 ISX and Allison automatic. Just get to go and go and go. Just remember when, take your foot off the loud pedal. Well, God bless all. Keep the greasy side down, and remember, love one another. Take care all.